Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to running a smoother stream with no dropped frames in Streamlabs, OBS, and OBS. So we're going to jump right into it. The first and most important thing you are going to do, you are going to right click and you are going to open OBS or Streamlabs as an admin. This is going to make it a priority program when you're streaming. This means when OBS or Streamlabs OBS needs more CPU, the computer will send it there first, making it so you don't drop any frames. This is exceedingly important. This will make it so no matter what, that CPU is pushed towards OBS before anything else. It will make it so you don't drop frames within the program itself. Next, you're going to simply go into your settings. You're going to go to your output and change the encoder right here from 264 to NVENC new. This will make it so the rendering and encoding are done by your GPU. Now you might worry that this will put excess strain on your GPU, but any GPU by NVIDIA that's more recent actually has a secondary processor meant for this, so you won't put any unnecessary strain on it. It's a really handy tool to do, guys. It means your CPU won't have as much stuff pushed onto it. Finally, the easiest thing to do, turn off the preview screen. I'm going to quickly show you how to do that in OBS. So as you see, it's currently disabled. So you right-click Enable, and then you right-click, just disable it again. That'll make it so your stream isn't running in the background while you're streaming. It actually takes a lot of power to do that, guys, and it will drop your CPU usage about 5 up to 10%. Maybe 10%. Don't maybe not that much, but it will drop it significantly and give you that extra bit of overhead that you'll need to run the stream smooth. Alright guys, so do these steps and not only will you put less strain on your CPU, but you will not drop any frames in OBS or in Streamlabs. If you're dropping frames in your game, you're gonna have to change your settings in the game, but this will make it so you're not actually dropping the frames within Streamlabs itself, which will make your stream lag significantly. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment if you have any other questions or concerns. Thanks for coming out for some real talk.